am I in jail? I've never done
You are under
any...
arrest for assault. Put your phone on top of the car. Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
No, don't touch me.
Fairfield, Ohio, August 4th, 2023. A woman accused of punching a bartender and refusing to leave a bar. Officers responded. What followed raised real questions about probable cause, witness reliability, and when lawful resistance becomes a second crime.
What's going on, guys?
0696.
What happened?
Now you're in trouble. There. I'm in trouble.
What happened?
Not me. Not me. I'm just talking to her.
Okay. You have your ID with you real quick?
Yeah.
How long you guys been here?
I just came out to rescue her. I offered her a ride.
You guys are friends or know each other?
I've been here since about...
I just met her.
Oh, you guys just met?
Yes. Yeah, I just came out and I told her, I said, do you want to ride?
Hey, Dylan, you want to get her story real quick? You can talk to Officer Miller real quick for me real quick?
I don't know.
Just tell them your side of the story.
Sorry.
You're all right. I got you. So what's going on? You were just in here since 7:30, you said? What happened?
Yeah, I was in here hanging out with her. We were having a good time.
But you just met her tonight, though?
No, she works with my coworker.
Okay, all right. She just said she met you tonight. That's why I asked.
No, she
Okay.
works with my coworker. We've been together before.
Okay.
And I was in here. I had a confrontation with her. It led to a confrontation with the bartender.
Okay.
And the next
When
thing
you say
I know,
confrontation, like what do you mean? Just
I
verbal
said something
argument?
to her, and the bartender, one of her friends,
One of her friends?
and no, one of the bartender's
Okay.
friends,
Okay.
and one of the customers get involved, and they
You guys were just verbally arguing, you two?
they pick me up and they throw me out. Like they pick me up and they throw me out of the bar.
Okay, see if you can find your ID for me real quick.
Family Kinley.
Do you have it with you or not?
I do.
Okay, see if you can find it real quick.
Tyler getting beat up again?
Man, he got smoked. She smoked, busted him in his mouth twice. He was trying to carry her out. She socked him in his mouth twice, fattened his lip. And she got out here, and as I pulled up, she was arguing with everybody on it. So I told her to leave like 3 times. She's like, "No, get away from me." I'm like, "I work here. You need to leave before the cops come."
Which one is it?
One in a white shirt. She wouldn't leave, so I grabbed her around her arms like this and picked her up and took her to the parking lot. And as I let her down, she lost her balance and fell. So it kind of looked like I threw her, but regardless, she punched him in the face twice. His lip is fat, bleeding.
She fucked up, or?
Yeah, she
They started fighting with each other.
Them two right there started fighting with each other.
And when he took her out, she just went berserk.
Yeah, she tried to fight the owner. Julie's in here too, and she tried to fight her. She's like, "Wait till you come outside, blah, blah, blah." And then I come in, and Julie's like, "Will you take care of that outside?" So I'm like, "I'm already on it." So I walk out here. She's over here arguing with them, so I grabbed her around her arms and put her in the parking lot.
Damn, so early too.
I just pulled up, dude. I just got here.
Oh,
What's going on?
I don't know. I just came out and was offering her a ride back to her vehicle. I just met her. She, apparently there was a confrontation inside the bar, but when I came out, she said some guy shoved her, is what she said. But then the guy took off.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't know her though?
No.
You don't know her?
No. She works with my fiance, so I live in Dayton. I just came down here to meet him and his coworkers, and I just met her. I was going to ask if I'm allowed to go back in now since you guys have her under control.
Yeah, just 1 second. Did you see her get into an altercation with somebody, or you just walked out here?
When I walked out, she was yelling at the guy, and the guy got in his car and sped off. So I didn't see what she had said happened. Maybe the people on the patio did, but I did not.
Okay. Who's the guy?
I have no idea.
Don't even know.
I don't know. I came out, and she was like, and that was all I know.
Okay. She is not involved, correct, according to everyone else?
Yeah, she's with him.
I was going to say, am I allowed to go back in now?
I don't think are you allowed back in?
Yeah, I just came out to check on her.
You just met her tonight?
Yes.
She's saying you work with her?
No, my fiance works with her. I drove down here from Dayton and just met her. And
Did you know you were meeting her, or?
No, he's my party's in there,
Okay.
and there was an altercation. She came out, and I guess there was another altercation with a guy. When I came out, she was on the phone trying to get a ride, and the guy sped off. I didn't see what happened, so that's why I was like, I was
You're
just.
not in any
offering-
trouble. We were just trying to.
No, I understand that. I was just.
We're just
like,
trying to figure out what the story is here.
Well, you'd have to ask these people on the patio because I came out and the guy was already pulling.
What were you two arguing?
Because my fiance works with her, and I had read some text messages that I felt were inappropriate and boundaries crossing. And some lady said something to her. She then said something to the lady, and then they told her she needed to leave the bar. She came out the bar, and I don't know what happened out here. So then I came out, and something happened, and I said, "I will take you where you need to go." I was offering her a ride.
So I guess there was a little bit of argument between you and her, like not.
Yes, but nothing
Yes.
aggressive, like I'm a beat
Did you
you.
just find the text messages like as you were sitting there?
Yes.
Yes,
And that's what triggered that.
So you're not trespassed, but they don't want you to come back in.
But my fiance's in there. I came out to give her a ride back home. They wanted her. They said, "You're fine."
I was just going to ask them, but that's what
The
they
girl in
said.
the pink dress or the... Okay. Am I at least allowed to ask, can you guys ask him
Where's
to
he
come
at?
out? He's in a neon, either green or orange shirt.
What's his name?
It's Bill. He has a cap on. I was almost waiting for you guys to have her gone before he came out because he's concerned about her. That's why I had a problem because of the messages.
I got you.
Not him.
27 Jessica Renee Robert.
Okay. So you're being detained. You're not free to leave, but I'm going to
For
wait till
what?
the other
What
side
am
of the
I
story.
being detained for?
For an investigation of an assault. Okay, I'm not saying you've done anything, but
Give us a minute to figure out what's going on. We just got here 2 minutes ago. Okay.
give us a second, and we're gonna figure it out. We're not saying you're in any trouble, but we're gonna figure stuff out.
Let us figure out what's going on. Okay. What injuries do you have besides your arm that you just showed me?
I don't know. I was here, and then the next thing I know, I'm getting thrown across the parking lot.
Did you swing or try to hit
No,
anybody else?
no, I didn't. I was just sitting there.
Okay. Hang out for a minute. All right.
Why am I here?
The girl in the dress, her fiance is still in there. Okay.
They won't let me back in to get you, so you need to come out. So we can move. Some guy just came in to get you. In a neon green shirt. I told him your name, so pay your tab. Love you guys.
So you don't know her at all? You just
No,
started
I
talking to her
literally,
about
that's the first time I ever laid eyes on her, and
it? Hot mess.
well, hold on. The problem is I drove down here from Dayton, and these are his coworkers. The owner was here, which they played it cool. Well, then when the owner left, I was watching through the window, and then he like felt up on her. I was like, and then I already had his phone because he gave it to me. He's like, here, because I've called him for like 2 hours. And that's why I came down here. I'm like, what's going on? And then she wanted to do a shot, and I was like, fine, I just got here, I'll do a shot. So I did a shot, and then I was like, oh, her lips are so soft. Oh, well, there's something nice that said something, and she caught what I was saying to him. And she's like, first of all, I've asked him where you were, and then she's obviously drinking. So then she says something to me, and then another pedestrian in the bar said something, and the direction of aggression turned to the pedestrian, and that's where it went. And they told her she needed to leave, and she came out. And I don't know what happened out here because I was too busy holding him back. Like, no, I'm your wife, not her.
Gotta leave the beer there.
Put trash. We're leaving. Put your beer in the trash. We have to leave.
Why is she going to jail?
Because she was out here fighting with someone. Not me. She wasn't. I tried to take her home, and nobody said she was going to jail. Don't say that to her, because it just causes problems.
Right there?
You don't need to go over there. Sir.
Is she here?
Who? No, she's not in there. Don't walk up on me like that.
I just
Back up.
told you not to. You're gonna get yourself in.
Is she in
She's
there?
not in there, bro. We just told you that, okay?
She's
Back
not
up
in-
a little
where's she
bit.
at?
She's
Where's she
standing
at?
right there. Back up.
Where is she at?
We don't need a hero right now. Back up, okay?
I'm not looking for a hero. I just want to say
She's
something
not
to
in
her.
there. You're gonna talk into nobody,
She's on
bro.
the phone with her husband. She's on the phone with her husband.
Well, where is she on the phone?
If you don't believe me, but we're leaving. Look, come on. Look. Hey. Bill. She's right there. Look.
He can go for a ride too if he wants
Yeah.
to. Got time for this. So have we talked to everybody involved over here? What are we doing?
Yeah. I think Tyler wants charges.
Okay. For assault DC.
Yeah. So, I mean, if he's cool with DC, then I'll go explain it to him.
Yeah, just figure out what's going on.
Hey. Do you want to come back to court again, or do you just want her to get a DC charge?
Oh no, I'm perfectly fine with going back to court.
Okay.
Perfectly fine.
He wants assault.
Okay. Is he injured?
Yeah, he's got his lips swollen up.
Okay.
Jess, say hi, Bill. He thinks you're in the cop car. She's giving you the finger. She's okay. She's waiting for a ride. See?
Just stay over there for a second. Don't come over here. Don't come over. Okay, don't come over here yet.
You're not involved. You need to walk away before you get yourself in trouble.
Man, I don't give a about trouble, man. Don't matter to me. Do you need a ride? Can we do anything for you? What?
You're not involved. Go over to your fiance or your wife, whatever she is.
Can we do anything?
You understand what I'm saying?
I don't give a about what you're saying, dude. You want to take me to jail? Take me to jail. I don't give a I drove her here,
Okay, well she's not.
and
going
I'll
home
drive
with
her
you.
back
She's not
if
going
she
home with
can.
you.
That's
She's
all
not.
I'm asking.
So go over there.
Let's go back over here.
Bill, just go home.
Come back over here. Go back over to the car. Let me have your bag. You can't have it back there. I'll set it right over here.
I'm glad you got your goddamn
Sit over there.
Okay. Well, you ain't got to tell me what the to do, man. Don't matter to me. I mean, you want to take me to jail? Take me to jail.
I don't want
give
to.
a
I want you
shit.
to just go with
I
her.
could give a less, okay? I could care less.
Bill, she didn't want to ride.
I'm just saying. I
She
don't
was
give
out
a.
here with
I
somebody.
don't care, man. I don't give a.
But you should. I have
I
the car.
brought her here. I would like to take her back if I can.
Well, you're not because she's going to jail. So,
Okay, well,
so
good
go home.
for you.
Okay.
Great. I'm glad you got your goddamn authority over it. You know, you. That's what I got to say.
Why are you acting like
Because he's a
No,
he's
he's
trying
not.
to start.
He hasn't
Take me to
done
jail.
anything.
Take me.
No,
I
I'm
don't
giving you
give a
one
fuck.
more chance. One more chance. Go
You
to your
don't
car.
need to.
One
we
more
have children.
chance.
Hey,
Crazy.
we have kids.
Thank you.
Turn around.
Yeah,
Hands behind your back.
thanks.
Really?
Me. I don't
You
give
have
a
you don't have children. You have
132. We're gonna have a
thank
second.
you. I don't give a shit, man.
I have
third
two
hour.
cars to deal with. Thanks, Bill. Good job. When all you had to do was
I
get in
don't
the car.
care, man. This guy.
She wasn't
He's a
getting
bag.
arrested. She's leaving.
He's a bag.
Can I? Do you guys need his wallet or can I have that?
Do you have his ID?
Or you can take his ID.
We'll
but
take
can I
it if
have
he's
the
got it
file?
on him.
So I don't have other. And where is he going? So I know.
He probably won't go to jail if he can settle down. He'll release
I'm
him on
not
DC
settled.
something.
I mean, I'm not doing shit.
Stop.
I'm
You're
not doing
no,
anything.
but you're talking to an officer.
Shut up.
You're very disrespectful. She's not in trouble.
Who is he to you? Is this your husband?
It's my 20 years.
Okay.
That's his coworker. But
Okay.
she got in a fight with a guy.
I don't care.
She got in a fight.
I don't care. She didn't do anything.
There was a guy out here that she
Jesus
got in a
Christ.
John,
Man, she's a girl.
309 W115.
Sometimes you talk yourself into jail, and sometimes you just. Let me see your lip real quick. Let's see. So you guys were just walking her out for.
Yeah, so she was threatening multiple people inside, the other bartender, one of the customers, and the owner. She was threatening all of them, talking about coming out here to fight, blah, blah, blah. Refused to leave after me, the owner, and the other bartender told her to leave. So I picked her up and started carrying her out. About halfway to the door, she turned and started swinging on me.
Okay. All right. Fair enough.
A guy put his hands on her. Yes, there was a problem.
She's a goddamn girl, man. She's a fucking girl. Jesus Christ. Whatever. Go home, man.
If he settles down, he'll just get a summons. But if he wants to,
Whatever. Summons me. Whatever the you want to do. I don't care. Take me to jail. I don't give a shit.
He needs to take you to jail, but shut
No
up.
matter to me.
hold on. Spread your feet. I get there. So now.
All you have to do is walk away, dude.
Yeah, listen, man. It's stupid.
It is stupid. So we're gonna release him, but we're gonna take him back to our police department and do the paperwork.
And I can pick him up from there?
Yeah, and that way we can knock hers out too at the same time.
Yeah, to get him away from here.
Yes,
Oh,
and
thank
hopefully
you.
maybe
Yeah,
going inside the
because
facility will
if he's
kind
seeing
of.
her, then he's more concerned about her, and I don't know why.
Yeah.
But where's the police station? I'm not from here.
So,
What's the station? I can just Google it.
5230 Pleasant Avenue, Fairfield
Thank you.
Police Department.
Okay, thank you.
And she's going to jail for assault.
On who?
The bouncer, or the bartender. She punched the bartender.
That wasn't her. That was her coworker.
No, that was her.
Is there video of this?
There's multiple witnesses, and I'll say it.
It was Ashley. She told me about it 45 minutes ago.
No, there was stuff between a coworker and stuff like that, and then the bartender ended up getting punched.
Well, let's watch the video before we take a group of friends' word for it, because she's never hit anybody. I've been with her for 8 years.
We have multiple witnesses. Okay, it's we don't have to watch the video. So she's gonna go back to our police department for paperwork.
So am I gonna have to get an attorney to get this video pulled? Because now we gotta go to court and everything else. Because of he said, she said. That's crazy.
If that's what you want to do, you go right ahead.
He said, she said. They
It's
had
not
video.
he said, she said. It's multiple people saying they saw. Okay. She's very intoxicated, and there's a whole heck of a mess. So I don't know what to tell you. But she's going to jail for assault. All right.
Before the analysis, the legal framework, under Ohio Revised Code, Section 2935.03, officers do not need to witness a misdemeanor to make an arrest. A credible complaint plus visible evidence of harm is sufficient. Bartender Tyler had a visibly swollen lip. Multiple independent witnesses described the same punch. That convergence satisfied the physical harm element of Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.13 assault. First-degree misdemeanor. The complication bar staff physically carried the subject out before officers arrived. That cuts both ways. It establishes she was resistive. It also opens a self-defense argument, was she striking first? Or responding to being grabbed? Ohio's assault statute requires the actor to knowingly cause or attempt to cause physical harm. If she punched before staff touched her, the case is clean. If the sequence is reversed, her defense attorney has something real to work with at trial. The initial detention was lawful. Terry versus Ohio. 392 United States 1. 1968. Requires only reasonable, articulable suspicion for a brief investigative stop, not full probable cause. Dispatch information alone cleared that threshold. Witness accounts were collected independently and remained consistent. That matters enormously. When three separate people describe the same punch without coordinating, that convergence survives cross-examination in a way that rehearsed testimony never does. Officers declined to review bar surveillance footage before making the arrest. Legally, they did not have to. Probable cause was already established. But when footage is physically available on scene in a contested misdemeanor, reviewing it before booking is simply better practice. That footage is now discovery material. If it contradicts witness testimony, the defense wins on reasonable doubt. If it confirms the punch, the prosecution becomes nearly untouchable. Skipping the review was a missed opportunity to lock in certainty before booking. When officers moved to handcuff the subject, she pulled away, struggled, and refused commands. That conduct satisfied Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.33, resisting arrest. She converted one charge into two in under 30 seconds. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista. 532 United States 318. 2001. Settled this question nationally. Officers may make a full custodial arrest for any misdemeanor where probable cause exists. The severity of the underlying offense does not limit arrest authority. The subject did one thing right. She invoked her right to counsel during handcuffing. Under the Sixth Amendment and Miranda versus Arizona, 384 United States, 436. That invocation ends any obligation to answer questions in custody. No formal interrogation followed on camera. The male companion argued that using physical control on a woman was inherently wrong. That argument has no legal foundation. Graham versus Connor, 490 United States, 386, 1989, establishes that the reasonableness standard applies regardless of the subject's gender. Graham identifies 3 factors: severity of the crime, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. When she began pulling away from handcuffing, all 3 factors shifted toward justifying increased physical control. Officers progressed from verbal commands to soft empty hand control to hard empty hand control. No less lethal weapons were drawn at any point. That progression is textbook use of force continuum compliance. Nothing excessive appears on camera.
Don't say another word to them.
I'm not. I'm not.
So we don't just do the arrest form at the jail?
Yeah.
We don't have to do an ITM or anything, do we? For her?
Don't touch me unless you have a camera on.
You're going to go in handcuffs.
Don't touch me unless you have a camera on.
It's on. It's
It's
recording.
I'm just saying, don't touch me unless you have a camera on.
Okay.
Thank you.
Step on out.
Actually, just go ahead and take that out and put it on top of the car.
What?
Your phone.
Or what?
Do it.
Why?
Because I'm giving you an order.
Why?
You're not allowed to have it.
Why?
Put it.
Will you stop?
You're
No,
making
I
things.
don't understand what I
You
did.
can have it in the jail.
You can't have your phone on you. You're going to be putting handcuffs.
But why am I in jail? I've never
You
done
are under
any...
arrest for assault. Put your phone on top of the car. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't touch me. Don't
Stop.
Stop touching me. Stop. Please.
Hold on.
Please get a lawyer. Please. No, I want a lawyer. Please. I didn't do anything wrong.
You're going to get charged with resisting arrest. Stop fighting us.
I didn't
You're
do
under
anything.
arrest.
Stand up. Quit acting like a 5-year-old.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Stay on your feet.
No. Why do I have to go in there? I want Craig.
Sit down.
I want Craig. Help. Help me.
Sallyport.
I want Craig.
I get more units to the Sally Port.
Are you going to stand up?
No, I want Craig. Please. Please, I didn't do anything wrong. I don't know what's happening, please.
Will you quit? You're a grown woman. Stand up.
No, I want Craig.
Sit down.
I didn't do anything wrong. I want Craig.
Go to the other side.
I want Craig.
Sit down in the car now.
I want Craig. No. I didn't do anything wrong.
10 o'clock on a Friday. Jesus.
I don't know what happened. This motherfucker is what happened.
You can give him a second. I'm going to go get his piece of paper and give it to you. It's his court date and stuff.
Officers receive AB. The witness interviews were thorough and independent. De-escalation was genuine. The male companion was offered a summons instead of arrest, despite sustained verbal aggression. The surveillance video decision is the only meaningful deduction. The arrested woman receives a C+. The assault charge has a defensible narrative depending on sequence inside the bar. The resisting arrest charge does not. That count was self-inflicted and will be harder to beat, regardless of what the footage shows. The male companion receives a C. He gave inconsistent statements claiming he just met the subject, then admitting a prior relationship through his fiancée. Burning your own credibility when you were never a suspect is exactly how you become one. Bartender Tyler receives an A-. Consistent account, willingness to press charges, and a visible injury that corroborates the allegation without embellishment. The deduction, physically lifting a patron to remove her, creates a factual dispute about who initiated the physical contact. 3 takeaways. First, do not resist a lawful arrest. Ohio Revised Code, Section 2921.33, does not evaluate whether you agree with the underlying charge. Fighting the handcuffs earns a second criminal count. The courtroom is the correct venue for that dispute. Second footage is evidence, not a courtesy. When a business has cameras and a disputed assault just occurred there, reviewing that footage before arrest is a sound investigative step. Deferring it hands the defense a gap they will fill with reasonable doubt. Third, witness credibility is built through separation and consistency. These witnesses were interviewed apart and told the same story. That is what survives cross-examination. Coordinated accounts collapse under discovery. Independent, consistent ones do not. Case outcome is unknown at time of analysis. The subject was booked at Fairfield Police Department on assault and resisting arrest. The male companion received a summons. What that bar surveillance footage showed in discovery may have been the deciding factor. If you have public records from this case number, court filings, or disposition, post them in the comments. That is how this stays grounded. Let us know what legal topic you want covered next. Thank you for watching.